Facebook, how to change email. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change your email on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to change your email on Facebook, all you have to do is first of all launch the Facebook application. Make sure that you're signed in. Tap the three lines option located at the top right hand side of the screen here. And once you tap the three lines option located from the top right, what you want to do is to simply make sure to tap the gear icon. Once you tap the gear icon, you'll come to settings and privacy, where you have to go to the option called account center. And when you go to the option called account center, here you should be able to see different sorts of option where you'll find personal details. So tap on the personal details tab, and here you can see contact info. Tap on it, and here you can see your current email address, so tap on it. Now if you want to select the delete email address, you can go ahead and then do that, and it will get deleted. Or you can select a particular Facebook account and only choose to remove your email address from a Facebook account only. After you do that, you can come back to this tab, select the option called add new contact, and you can add another email address if you like. This way you'll be able to change email address on Facebook. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.